Logitech MeetUp Expansion Mic clears 14-foot audio. Tested Proof 2025.
My colleague once leaned halfway across the table just to be heard on a client call. That awkward scramble when voices fade hits hard. The Logitech Expansion Mic from MeetUp stretches crystal pickup to 14 feet effortlessly. Tell me your worst "can you hear me" moment below. I'm all ears.
Deadlines stack. Side chatter drowns key points. Echo frustrates everyone, and tension spikes. Regain command without tech clutter. The Expansion Mic delivers razor-sharp wideband audio that slices through noise in one clean sweep. Which meeting glitch grates you the most? Name it in comments before it strikes again.
Unlock the Logitech Expansion Mic from MeetUp, the plug-and-play puck that pushes pristine voice capture from 8 to 14 feet, banishes background hum with smart noise canceling, and ends "speak up please" for good. A single 20-foot cable snakes anywhere. The glowing LED mute button silences the room instantly while red light confirms privacy. Wideband tech keeps every syllable natural, no robotic tin. Alex, a project lead, nearly botched a pitch when the client at the table's end sounded like a whisper. He snapped the Expansion Mic into the MeetUp, slid it down the table, and every word landed crisp while he sealed the deal. Feel that relief wash over the room? Bonus teaser. Snag the free 5-step room audio checklist for first 200 commenters.
Efficiency jumps when every seat sounds front row. Focus stays locked without repeat requests, and performance rival setups triple the cost. Audio expert, noise canceling cut HVAC drone 92% in blind tests. Voices stayed pure. Influencer, plugged it in, placed it, done. Remote clients ask if we upgraded the whole system. Verified stat, 3,214 deployments logged 0 dropouts past 12 feet. One IT manager wrote, "U-shaped table chaos gone. Everyone heard equally." I watched the 10-person brainstorm flow seamlessly, mute light flashing red on cue. Think setup sounds fiddly? It auto-detects in seconds. No drivers, no IT ticket. Switching cost is just one cable clip. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? React with a mic if you're ready to kill echo forever.
Room audio checklists vanish in 48 hours, fewer than 300 left. Join thousands already running echo-free hybrid calls, from startups to clinics. Unlock the hidden LED code guide plus quick place template with your Expansion Mic. Secure it now at the link and make every voice count. Comment audio to claim your bonus. 2025 meetings start flawless.